How to reset Safari browser on iPhone. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once in there, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Then again scroll and look for the Safari and simply tap on it. Inside Safari, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the advanced option available there. Inside advanced, simply tap on the website data, and inside website data, tap on the remove all website data option available there and confirm the removal. Then toggle on the block all cookies option available and block it all. Now go back to the settings again, and there you'll get to see clear history and website data option available. Simply tap on it and tap on the clear history. Then, once you clear all the history, this removes browsing history, cookies, cache, and all the saved website data. Now, all you have to do is go back to the iPhone's home screen and restart your iPhone. Long press on the volume down and power button until the slide to power off appears, and slide to power off and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on. So this resets your Safari browser. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.